Hi students, in this video we will know what is TIN surface in Civil 3D and we will understand about triangulation mathematics of Civil 3D. TIN surface calculations are based on computational geometry known as Delaunay triangulations. Delaunay triangulation takes a set of points, isolate three in close proximity and applies a circle intersecting those 3 points, producing a triangle. This algorithm is repeated for the remaining points, resulting in a collection of circles called circumcircles, which produce a network of triangles. Elevations interpolation occur along those triangle lines, which determines where contours are drawn. Same like this diagram. Here we have surface point, we have many surface points, then our points will create these circles, and then these circumcircles will create our triangle lines, which will called TIN surfaces in Civil 3D. It's important that the points used in surface calculation be a good representation of surface elevations. This means that points representing fire hydrants, power poles or trees, for example, should be excluded, since those points more than likely were not collected as a ground level. Other information we provide to a surface definition influences how these triangles are drawn. Break lines prevent triangle lines from being drawn through them but allow them to be drawn along them. Boundaries prevent interpolation from occurring inside or outside their extent depending on the type of boundary defined. Surface edits can override the Delaunay triangulations. Surface property setting can be used to apply a set of rules governing how the surface is created. There are 4 types of surface in Civil 3D, which we will examine in the next exercises. The first one is tin surface, then grid surfaces, and third one grid volumes and surfaces, and another fourth we have tin volume surfaces. A tin surface is based on a set of points using Delaunay triangulations. A grid surface is based on a digital elevation model which we call DEM file, consisting of a set of data points arranged in a regularly spaced grid information. DEM files can be obtained from various mapping agencies. Volume surfaces are built by measuring vertical distance between two surfaces. Volume surface can be created from 2 grid or 2 TIN surfaces also, which we will learn in the next exercises. Hope you like this video. You must need to know about triangulation mathematics before dive into the surfaces using in Civil 3D.